Have you ever wondered, how does Google do this? How does it know what you want and deliver it so fast? In this video, I'm going to be exploring the tech behind Google. But before I get into all of that, I make videos breaking down tech concepts, news, and software. Hit the subscribe button to join the community. So, how does Google know what you want? Google uses certain techniques to give you what you're searching for. I'm going to break down each technique as it occurs. The first technique is crawling. This is the first stage and it works just like the name. Google has a program called Googlebot or crawler that basically explores sites. Its job is to find what sites are available on Google and check out the pages that are on the site. This bot or crawler determines the sites to crawl, how often to crawl them, and how many pages to fetch from that site. We can say the Googlebot works as a spy or explorer on behalf of Google. Let us look at the crawler as someone going into a supermarket. The supermarket is the sites and the aisles are the pages. The way you walk around the supermarket looking through every single item is the same way a crawler walks around looking through different sites. When you start taking note of the items on the shelves and inspecting them, that is called indexing. Indexing is the next stage, and this is when the crawler starts trying to understand what is on each page. The crawler begins to take note of specifics like key content tags, that is, the title, alternate descriptions, images, videos, and more. Indexing is also when Google decides the page that may be shown as search results. What the crawler does is, it picks all the similar pages it has crawled and puts them into a group, sort of like a basket, and then it picks the best representative out of that group that will be shown in the search results. This page is called the Canonical Page. This page and all the other pages that are put in the baskets or groups are then indexed. Only indexed pages can show up in the search results. Now, certain pages do not get indexed due to 3 different reasons. The low quality of the content on the page, their sites do not allow indexing, and finally, the design of the website might make indexing difficult. Google takes note of certain signals for the canonical page and the other pages in the group, like the language of the page, the country the content is local to, and the usability of the page. And finally, that brings us to the last part, the serving page. This is where all the magic happens. When you input your query into the search engine, Google searches its index for a page matching your query. Based on your past searches, your location, language preferences, and device, Google adjusts results to make them more relevant to you. And that is how Google does it. Thank you for watching, and till next time, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel.